Alright, so what we're going to do today, we're going to add some sun rays to this photo here. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add a linear gradient here. And what this is going to do is it's going to emphasize what direction the light is coming from. So what you're going to do is you're just going to basically expose it and make sure it's feathered properly. Then you're going to go ahead and add this big radial gradient. We're going to start from outside the photo here. And then you're going to feather it. You're going to make sure it has quite a lot of feathering going on here. That way it's not too abrupt. You see that right there is where the feathering is. Now we got all the settings done. Now we're going to go ahead and add in another radial gradient. Now this time we're not going to make a circular one. We're going to make a long slender one. And what this is going to do, this is going to be basically the sunbeam that's coming from the sun. And you want to position it near the edge of the sun here and basically make it longer and narrower. And then you want to feather it a little bit. Now you just basically keep on adding them and doing the same thing. Now you can also rotate them to show different angles. So like this, how I wanted to cast over the subject's face. Here you can see it casting over the subject's face, and then go ahead and add another one, and then so on and so forth. And then go ahead and show you what it turns out like. But basically you're going to take some time to do this if you want to manually add this. But basically do it one at a time, and you can feather as much as you want or as little as you want. Now obviously if you want to spend a little bit more time on this, this is just basically a fast edit that I'm showing you how to do this. Because I know some people may or may not know how to do this, or that this is possible in Lightroom, but you can add these sun rays to basically any photo that has a sun in the background. You do it by just adding these radial gradients and just making them basically in the sun rays. We're going to go ahead and fast forward so you can see the finished product. Alright, and right here we have the finished product, and what you can see here is basically all the radial gradients. This red part is the mask we added.